Hello viewers, my name is Jotham SK. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can do speed drums in the most effective way. There's so many videos outside there that talk about this topic, but in this video, I have a special thing that I really want to share with you guys that is really going to blow your mind. So if you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel because this channel is here to help you to grow as a filmmaker and even how you can make some good money out of what you love to do. So if you don't know what speed drum means, it simply means changing speed. The clip can change the speed. It can start normal, then go faster, then go slow, like that. So any change in the speed of the same clip, that is what we're going to do, and that is what we mean by speed drum. So stick around till the end of this video because every part is very important. Let's jump right into the computer and show you guys how you can do it the most effective way. All right. So let's go ahead and do our speed drum. As you can see, our clip on the timeline. Let me first show you so that you guys can see how the clip is running from the beginning to the end. You can see. Always make sure before you start doing your speed drum, make sure that the clip that you're going to do the speed drum is very stable. If the clip is not stable, your speed drum is going to be bumpy. So always make sure that you're having stable clips or stable footage. So our clip is very stable, and I believe it will work perfectly. So this is what we're going to do. The first method of doing a speed drum is by simply cutting between the clips. Cutting between the clips, this is what I mean. You find the part where you want to start doing your speed drum, or maybe to change the speed to be faster, and then make a cut right there. In Premiere Pro, the shortcut is Control, okay? And guys, do not forget, if you're an editor, always make sure that you learn these hotkeys because they will help you to save a lot of time during your post-production. And right here, I'm going to add a clip, rather a cut right there because I want my clip here to move normally. So here it's going to move normal, and then when it reaches here, I want it to be very faster, and then it goes back to normal. So what we're going to do, the old way or maybe the lazy way, is by simply making this middle clip faster. And how do we do that? By simply right clicking and then look for speed and duration. We're going to make this speed and duration, we're going to change it to around 800, yes, 800, something like that, and then simply add or maybe delete the space, something of that kind. Hope you can see it. Let's view. See that? But the reason as to why I say this is not the best way to do speed drum, you can see that there is that bump right after the cut. Both cuts have a bump. Did you see that? Did you see that? Here you can see that there is a bump right here. So this is not the best way. I would recommend you guys to do a speed drum. I'm going to show you another way, and this is the most effective and a professional way to do speed drums. So let's go ahead and create a new sequence again. We're going to leave this sequence right here and do another sequence. I just want to keep the same. This is, let's call this one effective. Effective. So we're going to get the same clip we used in the first method and then drop it right here. We're just going to keep existing settings. If you don't know what that really means, keeping the same or maybe changing the existing settings, you can leave a comment down below. I will make a video specifically about that one. So we're going just to trim at the end because I don't want this to end. So I'm going to make a cut right there and just trimming. Then, so the first thing you have to do is click on FX. You see where there is FX? This FX. Just right click there, then you look for time remapping. So you're going to do some time remapping, then select speed. Let me enlarge this track so that you can see well. I don't know whether you can see this rubber band or maybe it's sliding between the clip. This one, you have to change it by simply right clicking on FX, then do speed, and then you have that rubber band in the middle. If you don't see this rubber band in the middle, just know you're not on speed. Let me first take it back to opacity. You can see that when it is on opacity, it is up here. But when you change this one to time remap, then speed, it will go a little bit in the middle, though not all that in the middle, but it will be a little bit down. So we're going to add key points on this rubber band, and that's how we're going to affect the speed of this clip. We're going to go where we want, maybe right here, there, then we go to the rubber band, then place control, and then when you see that add, our cursor changing or maybe having that add sign, then you're good to go. Then you just simply click right there, you've added a point. So we're going to do the same right here, but first hold on, let's first undo and maybe create. We're going to make this run from here slow, then let's add a point here, then when it reaches here, I want it to go a little bit slower like that, then add another point here, then at the end you want it to be faster. So here it is going to start slow, then it runs faster. It is going to be normal speed, then faster, then slow. That is what we're going to do. So normal speed, we're not going to do anything here. We're just going to simply go to the rubber band in the middle and then take it up. Take it way up. I want it around to be around, let's see whether this one maybe around 700. Just do 800, something. Okay, 800. Yeah, that one is better. So let's see what we have. Whoa. Still there is some bumps. I don't know whether you cannot see the bumps. Whoa. You can see that. But here I want it to make it a little bit slower. I'm going to take it down maybe around 30, maybe around 30 right there. So this is how it's going to be normal, faster, and slow like that. But you can see that in the middle where there are our points, we still have some bumps, and I'm going to show you guys a trick how we can do away with these bumps to make your transition to be a little bit smooth. If you want your transition to be smooth, then this is what you've been waiting for. Actually, this is the most interesting part of this video. Let me just zoom to our timeline. Let me zoom to our timeline, and then get to this point. I don't know whether you can see these points up, and simply drag it. So it is going to make our clip to be smooth. We're going to have a transition that is a little bit smooth. It will go like this, not just go straight there, it ends like that. It's going to be smooth by simply doing this. So we're going to do the same by simply getting this end and then drag it this side. Dragging it a little bit far because I want my transition to be a little bit smooth and like that. So let's see now the change that we have after doing those simple changes. Did you see that? Oops. Did you see that? Oops. But we want to make this one a little bit slower, and then we go back and do the faster. So we're going to add another point right here. At the end we want it to run faster. So let's now take it way up. Let's take it up like around 600. Then simply get this side. Sorry. And this part. This. And then swing these tangents to make them curvy like that. So this is what you're going to have at the end of the day. So let's view the whole thing. See. But let me use this because we need to do this audio. Then we will remove it by simply unlinking. Unlinking, the shortcut is Ctrl A. The hotkey is Ctrl A. So let's see what we have. Whoops. You see that? Then it goes slow. But right here maybe then this part up to here. So we're going to have, that is good. And you can grab this one and going out, this one. Because we want our transition to have a smooth speed around. To sell this effect furthermore, we're going to add some wash sound. If you don't have them, you can still download. There are so many sites outside there that you can get some sound effects so that you can add to your editing. Hope this video was helpful. Just in case maybe this was a new thing that you've not been trying out, I recommend it highly that you start trying it in your videos, because it's going to help your videos to look epic, to look amazing. But as always, do not always add something maybe extremely, but still, even if you learn something that is new, make sure that you're not putting it there like on every clip you do a speed ramp. It is very boring maybe when you add something more and more. It makes your videos look a little bit amateurish, so always make sure that you add them where necessary. If you really want to learn more about video editing, leave a comment down below. I will continue make post-production videos like this one. Hope you learned something out of this video. Just in case maybe you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, because this channel is here to help you to grow as a filmmaker and even to earn some good money out of your craft. See you in the next video, guys, but do not forget that the kingdom of heaven is near. So what we have to do is to repent. See you. Bye bye.